Hey everyone, welcome back to English Podcast Home. I'm Adam.
And I'm Sarah. We're so happy you're here with us today.
In this episode, we're going shopping together and practicing real English conversations for shopping, clothes, street markets, and daily life situations.
You'll learn useful English phrases, natural dialogues, and everyday vocabulary that you can actually use when shopping in English-speaking countries.
So relax, listen carefully, and practice speaking with us.
All right, Adam. Are you ready for today's shopping adventure?
Absolutely. Let's get started.
Sure, Adam. What happened? You sound very serious today.
Well, I opened the refrigerator this morning and honestly, it looked almost empty. There was only one egg, half a bottle of milk, and some old vegetables.
I know. I checked the kitchen yesterday evening and noticed the same thing. We really need to go shopping today.
Exactly. If we don't buy groceries now, we won't have anything to cook for dinner tonight.
That's true. And I don't want to order fast food again. We've been eating unhealthy food too often recently.
Yeah, you're right. We should start eating healthier meals at home. It's cheaper and better for our health.
Absolutely. So, let's make a complete shopping list before we leave. Last time, we went shopping without a list, and we forgot so many important things.
Please don't remind me. I still remember coming home without rice and cooking oil.
And coffee. You forgot the coffee too. I was so disappointed the next morning.
I know. That was a disaster. I promise I'll pay more attention today.
Good. All right, let's start with the basics. What do we need first?
First of all, we definitely need some milk. I used the last bit of milk for my coffee this morning.
Okay, milk. Should we buy 1 bottle or 2?
Let's buy 2 bottles this time. We drink milk every day, so 1 bottle disappears very quickly.
True. What about bread?
Yes, bread too. Maybe brown bread this time because it's healthier.
Wow, Adam choosing healthy food? That's surprising.
Hey, I'm trying to improve my lifestyle.
That's good to hear. All right, I'm adding bread to the list. Do we need eggs?
Definitely. Eggs are perfect for breakfast. Let's buy a big pack because we use them a lot.
Good idea. We should also get some cheese and butter.
Oh yes, cheese. I almost forgot about that.
See? That's exactly why I'm writing everything down.
Thank you for being organized.
Sarah, without you, I would probably come home with only snacks and chocolate.
Maybe, but snacks are important too.
Adam, snacks are not the most important thing in the supermarket.
Maybe not for you, but they are very important to me.
Fine. We can buy a few snacks later. First, let's focus on healthy groceries.
All right, let's buy fresh vegetables too.
Yes, of course. Which vegetables do you want?
Tomatoes, onions, potatoes, cucumbers, and carrots.
That sounds good. We should also buy broccoli and spinach.
Spinach? I'm not a big fan of spinach.
But it's very healthy. You always say you want to eat better.
True. Okay, add spinach to the list.
Great. What about fruit?
Yes, we definitely need fruit. I want apples and bananas because they're easy to eat during the day.
I'd like oranges and grapes too. Fresh fruit is always nice, especially in the morning.
Agreed. Oh, and maybe strawberries if they look fresh.
Good idea. I love strawberries.
Do we have enough rice at home?
Let me think. No, I don't think so. There's only a little rice left in the container.
Then let's buy a large bag of rice. It lasts longer and saves money.
Smart thinking. We should also get pasta.
Yes, pasta is quick and easy to cook, especially when we're busy.
Exactly. Should we buy chicken for dinner this week?
Definitely. Maybe chicken breast for grilled chicken and salad.
Wow, that actually sounds healthy and delicious.
See, I can make good food choices sometimes.
Sometimes.
Sarah,
I'm joking.
all right. What else do we need?
Coffee.
Right. Coffee is extremely important.
Yes, and please don't forget it this time.
I won't forget. In fact, coffee should be the first thing we buy when we enter the supermarket.
That's probably a good idea.
Should we buy juice too?
Yes, orange juice would be nice.
And cereal for breakfast?
Healthy cereal.
Chocolate cereal tastes better.
Adam.
Okay. Maybe one healthy cereal and one chocolate cereal.
That sounds fair.
Great teamwork.
By the way, do we need cleaning supplies?
Oh yes, we need dish soap and paper towels.
I'll add them to the list.
This shopping list is getting very long.
That's because we've been avoiding.
True. I hope the supermarket isn't crowded today.
Maybe if we go in the afternoon, it won't be too busy.
Good idea. I hate standing in long checkout lines.
Me too, especially when people have huge shopping carts full of groceries.
And then they slowly look for their wallet at the last second.
Exactly. It takes forever.
At least shopping with you makes it more fun.
Really?
Of course, we always laugh and talk while shopping.
Thanks so much for listening to English Podcast Home.
We'll see you again in the next episode with more fun English conversations.
Take care, everyone.
Bye!